Welcome to ventichic, the place where aspiring billionaires seek inspiration. A wedding day is complete with a wedding dress, as it is just as important to the ceremony as the rings and flowers. Those couples who can splurge some money for the event don't mind spending a fortune on their gown. In today's video, we'll talk about the world's 10 most extravagant wedding dresses. Number 10. Melania Trump's Christian Dior dress. Priced between $100,000 to $200,000. In 2005, the former First Lady wore a Dior gown to her wedding. The dress was embroidered with over 15,000 pearls and rhinestones and made of 300 feet of tulle. It took over 1,000 hours. Because it's so big, the bride must also sit on a bench rather than a chair to accommodate the volume of the dress. Number 9. Princess Diana's legendary Emmanuel's gown. Price estimated $115,000 to $150,000. Diana entered the spotlight when she married the heir to the British throne, the then Prince Charles. Even though the dress was only reported to have cost £9,000 at the time, it has since been revalued to £80,000. However, inflation adjusted, it is now worth as much as $150,000 due to its fame. The dress was embellished with 10,000 pearls and was made of antique ivory silk taffeta lace. It also had a 25-foot train and striking puff sleeves from the 1980s. With this dress, Diana set the standard for blowout gowns. Number 8. Amal Clooney's Oscar de la Renta gown. Price $380,000. Amal Clooney went to Oscar de la Renta, the master of romantic gowns, to create a dreamlike floating dress for her wedding day. 14 yards of chantilly lace applique were hand-embellished with beading and embroidery on this off-the-shoulder dress. Amal was pictured in the dress with Mr. Clooney during an interview with Vogue because the wedding and dress received so much attention. She said there, "George and I wanted a wedding that was romantic and elegant, and I can't imagine anyone more able than Oscar to capture this mood in a dress meeting. He made the design process all the more magical as he is so warm and such a gentleman." Number 7. Kate Middleton's Sarah Burton Princess Gown. Price $400,000. The Duchess of Cambridge decided in 2011 to have one of the best British designers make her dress. A blue ribbon was sewn inside the dress to partially fulfill the something blue part of the British wedding tradition. The gown had a long, flowing train, a waist-cinching bodice, and intricate lacework. The wedding, seen by millions worldwide, has become quite the fashion moment, and Kate has shown that she is genuinely princess material. Speaking of princesses and fairy tales, where would you prefer to do it if you were to have a wedding? In a castle, garden, beach, or church? Let us know in the comments below. Number 6. Victoria Swarovski's Michael Cinco gown. Price $1 million. Victoria's sparkling bridal couture, unveiled in June 2017, contained 500,000 crystals and weighed a staggering 100 pounds. Victoria chose a lace-edged 26-foot-long veil to complete her princess look. In a bizarre ceremony in Italy, the host of Germany's Got Talent wed her beloved Verna Mert, an entrepreneur from Munich. Number 5. The Peacock Dress by Vera Wang. Price $1.2 million. In 2009, Vera Wang used peacock feathers to create a stunning masterpiece of a wedding dress to commemorate the year of its creation and produce an extraordinary and unique alternative to the typical wedding dress. There's a rumor that the dress would be worn by Jennifer Lopez when she married Ben Affleck. However, since the wedding did not take place, the dress has not yet been worn. Wow, right? The price is getting bigger and bigger. Anyway, if you love our list so far, you can subscribe and ring the notification bell to get notified on more videos like this. Number 4. Dashana's Luxury Gown. Price $1.5 million. Dashana's gown is simple, elegant, and devoid of meringue or princess connotations. It's made of 250 grams of 18-karat gold and 75 carats of hand-picked diamonds from Antwerp, Belgium. This luxury wedding dress has yet to be purchased, and we're waiting to see who gets to wear it. Number 3. Angelababy's Dior dress. Price? Unknown, but the wedding alone costs $3.1 million. There would never be a quiet, small wedding car for Chinese model, actress, and Instagram star Angelababy. She made her own haute couture wedding dress in 2015 with the help of Parisian designer Dior. Ivory satin organza was used to make the gown, which took 5 months. Dozens of chantilly lace flowers, all of which were hand sewn on, covered it. The skirt comprised 7 50-meter-long petticoats, and a 10-foot train completed her look. Although the price has not yet been disclosed, we bet it costs millions of dollars. Dior even posted wedding photos on their Instagram page. Number 2. Yumi Katsura's white gold wedding dress. Price? $8.5 million. This stunning creation by Yumi Katsura, a Japanese fashion designer, has yet to find a bride. Satin and white gold make up its construction. It also has 1,000 pearls, a precious rare 5-carat white gold diamond, vibrant displays of masterful hand-stitched embroidery, and a collection of precious gemstones. An 8.8-carat green diamond is the striking focal point. Before we move on to the most expensive dress, please like this video first and share it with a friend to let them know the most extravagant wedding dresses. This may be a good topic of conversation for girls. Moving on, number 1. The diamond wedding gown. Price? $12 million. This is the most expensive wedding dress ever. Renee Strauss and master jeweler Martin Katz designed it in 2006. The finest silks and satins known to man are used to make the gown, which features 150 carats of diamonds. The gown was on display once and has been stored in the strictest conditions ever since. As you might imagine, diamonds are a girl's best friend. So there you have it, some of the most expensive wedding gowns in the world. They say that your wedding day should be the best day of your life. If you have $1 million, where will you spend it? Are you gonna spend it on your wedding day or your honeymoon? Or will you save a big chunk of it and enjoy a simple wedding? Practicality or luxury? Let us know in the comments below. So here's a bonus for you for staying this far. Who says that wedding gowns must be made of lace or silk? There have been numerous bizarre wedding gowns produced. For instance, Ukrainian baker Valentin Stefano made his bride's victorious gown out of flour, eggs, sugar, caramel, and other ingredients. The dress, made of 1,500 cream puffs and weighing 20 pounds, took Stefano 2 months to complete. Thank you for staying until the end with us here in ventichic. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss another video. See you all guys tomorrow.